All right, here we are. Here we are at the US Open. We're here on Sunday before the actual Open starts, and it's open to the public. The merchandise tent is open, and you can freely walk around the area where the merchandise tent is, the hospitality tents, all that. No tickets today, no really golfers today, but it's really cool to see everything getting set up. So we're going to go into the merchandise tent in a minute. Well, here we are inside the merchandise tent, and we're just going to do a quick walk around first and see what they got. And they got everything. So they got the crazy golf shirts. They got the regular golf shirts. I didn't look at any of the prices yet, but we're going to see here. That's not too bad. 52 bucks for a t-shirt. Of course, you got the pocket, and it is vineyard wines.
I got to wash part of it.
This is a regular normal t-shirts here. Let's see what we got going here. $38 for a t-shirt. It is the Hamptons, you know. And the baseball hats. All the baseball hats. So we're coming to the first pass around here, and we're coming into the ladies section. Well, it's either the ladies section or the guys that like ladies clothes, so you can take your pick here. So we're going to go into the center here now. And we got the cups, the mugs, the glasses, the cocktail shakers. There must be 500 different types of baseball caps here. From retro style to today's style, to low fit to no fit, it's amazing. I have to say, the ball cap section is truly overwhelming. It is truly overwhelming. All right, we just got out of the merchandise tent. I bought 2 hats, a fitted hat and a regular hat, and a mug. And it came to $95, which I am not complaining about because the Open only comes out to Long Island every now and then, and I live a couple of miles away, so this was an easy trip for me. Here's an idea what the concessions are at the 2026 US Open. And they even have New York favorites. Like the black and white cookie for $5. That's pretty interesting. And the pastrami.